What's up, guys? Happy Wednesday. Hope everyone is doing awesome. So I'm about to take my organic super greens from LiveGood and thought I'd make a quick video just to talk to you guys quickly about the importance of healthy, fresh cut, organic green fruits and vegetables. And that's exactly what is in this amazing product. So I'm gonna scoop myself some into my cup, and I do a little bigger scoop. I do a little heaping scoop because at 60 cents a serving, you can kind of afford it. Whereas other products are almost $3 a serving for a lot of them. But that's all I do, mix it in my cup. Try not to make too much noise here. That's it, drink it up. Super delicious, so good for so many different aspects of your health. Digestive health, your immune system, your gut health, your blood pressure, even energy. If you're not getting enough greens in your diet, which so many of us are not, this is an amazing way to really fill those gaps and give your body what it needs. Other products on the market, one of the top selling greens products is called Athletic Greens. They sell it for $99 and it's not even organic. This is a much higher quality product for just $24 for non-members, or if you want to be a member, only $18 for the highest quality greens product on the market. Another great one is Organifi green juice, which is actually very high quality. They do use organic ingredients. However, you don't know how much of each ingredient is actually in the product because they just give you a list as a blend and don't tell you the actual amounts. In every single one of the LiveGood products, we list exactly what's in the product, how much of each one of our highest quality ingredients and raw materials you're getting in the product, so you know that you're getting the best product on the market. So guys, if you haven't tried the LiveGood Super Greens, definitely have some in your cabinet. It is amazing, tastes great, does so much good for your body, and just an amazing product. And again, for 60 cents a serving, you can't beat it. So have a great day. I'm gonna enjoy my super greens, and we'll see you at the top. So good. Bye, guys.
Hey guys, I'm getting ready to go on a trip for a week, and there's one thing that I never leave home when I travel, and that's my LiveGood Super Greens. There's a couple reasons why I never leave home without this when I travel. First off, we're not consuming enough greens when we travel, and typically it's because they're not available to us, or also I choose not to consume as much because I can rarely find organic when we travel or eat out. And then a second reason I like to bring my LiveGood Super Greens is they help the detox pathways. And typically when we travel, we're exposed to more EMFs, we're exposed to more environmental toxins, we're eating different foods, probably a little unhealthier than we normally eat, and we're also probably consuming a little more alcohol than our bodies are used to. So I always make sure to have this with me on hand. And typically I'll use it 2 to 3 times a day when I travel. So LiveGood Super Greens, this stuff is awesome.